In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow in HubSpot, a process that can be completed in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started by navigating to HubSpot's homepage. First, open your web browser and type in the URL for HubSpot, or simply search for HubSpot in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to locate the login button. It's usually in the top right corner of the page, so go ahead and click on that. After clicking login, enter your credentials. If you don't have a HubSpot account yet, you might need to sign up first. Once logged in, navigate to HubSpot Home. This serves as the main dashboard where you can access various features and tools that HubSpot offers, helping you manage your business needs effectively. With the home page loaded, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. You should see a tab labeled Automations. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Automations in HubSpot are powerful tools that can help you streamline your processes and increase efficiency. Once you're in the automation section, the next step is to click on Workflows. In the Workflows area, you'll have a variety of options to choose from. Here, you'll see any workflows that have already been set up. This is also the section where we'll create a new one. To do this, look for the Create Workflow button. It should be prominently featured on the page. Clicking this will begin the process of setting up your new workflow. As you prepare to create your workflow, think about the specific tasks or processes you want to automate. HubSpot offers various triggers and actions, so you can customize the workflow to meet your needs. Once you've clicked on Create Workflow, follow the on-page prompts to configure triggers. These can be actions such as a form submission or a contact adding an item to their cart. Setting up these triggers correctly is crucial because they determine when the workflow will start. Carefully consider which triggers are most relevant to your goals. After setting the triggers, move on to choosing the actions that the workflow will execute, such as sending a follow-up email or updating a lead status. After arranging your triggers and actions in the logical sequence you desire, review your workflow to ensure everything is in place. Double check that it aligns with your objectives and works as intended. When you're confident it's set up correctly, activate the workflow. And there you have it, you've successfully created a workflow in HubSpot. Remember, workflows can greatly enhance productivity by automating repetitive tasks, freeing up time to focus on other important aspects of your business. Don't forget to periodically review and adjust your workflows if necessary to keep them aligned with evolving business goals and processes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.